So there's some lovely rock formations that you would not see anywhere else.
There's a series of huge boulders formed over millennia and 3 or 4 extraordinary beaches, one of which is considered the most beautiful beach in the world. Why is this special? Because this is also a protected landscape, a national park, where nature can truly thrive, where the marine species can be protected, and where people can interact and have an enjoyable time and learn about nature. Here we are in this amazing national park called the Baths.